Very good morning to all. Students, as you know, your exam is coming, isn't it? Actually, it is waiting at your door. So, today we will revise, okay? I will ask questions from the chapter, you will give the answer. Clear, students? Okay, very good morning, Deboshmi. Now, Shaurya Ghosh. Clear? At first, I will tell the syllabus again. Okay? I will repeat the syllabus again. As I am teaching the English text, so I will give the text portion syllabus. Now, please note down again. Wake up, Neha's alarm clock. Actually, no changes are there. The same one. Still, I am repeating. Wake up. At first, tell me, am I audible to all? Show your response. Debushmi, very good. Nayanika, very good. So, wake up. Neha's alarm clock. Noses. Little fat tree. Run. Nasruddin's aim. Why? Alice in Wonderland. Don't be afraid of the dark. Helen Keller. I repeat, wake up, Neha's alarm clock, noses, little fat tree, run, Nasruddin's aim, why, Alice in Wonderland, don't be afraid of the dark. The last one, Helen Keller. Clear? Now, at first, I will ask questions from don't be afraid of the dark. Clear? Don't be afraid of the dark. So, my question is, the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Tell me true or false. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. True or false? False. Very good, Debushmi. You are the first one. Next question. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. True or false? The stars will always shine at night. Yes, true. Debushmi again. Next question. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Okay, Joey, Nayanika, you are also Shaurya, Shoham. Yes, all are correct. My next question is, the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. True or false? Give me the answer. True or false? True. Very good. So, the next one, true. Now, listen to me. The poet says, be afraid of the dark. True or false? The poet says, be afraid. Shoham? Tanveer, very good. False. Nayanika, Shaurya, yes, false. Now, my next question. The moonlight must be harsh. The moonlight must be harsh. The moonlight must be harsh. True or false? Tell me. False. Very good. Who said true? Debushmi. Moonlight must be harsh. How can it be true? Debushmi, Tanvi. But Nayanika, Shoham, yes. Joy, they are correct. Now, tell me one thing. When the day is over, the earth remains busy. When the day is over, the earth remains busy, or earth takes rest. When the day is over, the earth remains busy, or earth takes rest. Who can tell me? Rest. Very good. Who is this? Yes, Debushmi. Nayanika was the first one. Okay. Shreya is there. Okay. Now, you just tell me. Now come to the chapter Helen Keller. Now I will ask questions from Helen Keller. Clear? My first question is, something is very wrong. Who said this? Something is very wrong. Helen's mother or Helen's father? Something is very wrong. Something is very wrong. Mother, Helen's mother. Very good. Now, my next question is, Helen was, okay, Nayanika and all are correct. Shaurya, Soham Mondal, then Deboshmi, okay. Shireen is there, Tanvir is there, okay, Joy. Now, my next question is, Helen is very dull or Helen is very smart? Helen is, yes, Devoshmi, very good. You are too fast. Now the next question, my next question. After the illness, Helen could not hear and see. Okay, Helen could not hear and see, or Helen could not hear and walk. After the illness, Helen could not hear and see. Oh, Devoshmi, Shireen, very good, very good. Joey, hear and see. Very good, very good. Now, my next question. My next question is the name of the teacher. The name of the teacher was Miss Susie, okay, or Miss Sullivan. The name of the teacher was, yes, Miss Sullivan, Miss Sullivan. Very good, very good. I am so happy to see your response, students. You are too fast. Very good. Now, my next question is, finally, Helen understood that the most important thing in the world, the most important thing in the world, Helen understood that was water. That was water or words. Soham Mondal, water. Soham Mondal.
Words.
The most important thing in the world, Helen understood that was water or words? Words. Yes, Soham, very good. And all the students, Shaurya, then Joy, then Shreen, then Aishwarya, Nayanika, Tanvir, all are correct. Now, my next question is, who agreed to help Helen? Helen's parent or Miss Sullivan? Who agreed to help Helen? Miss Sullivan or Helen's parent? Yes, Miss Sullivan. Aishwarya is the first one. No, Shaurya. Okay. Now my next questions. Listen to me carefully. The question is, Helen's parent did not love her very much. Helen's parent did not love her very much. That is true or false? Helen's parent did not love her very much. True or false? Shireen, Devoshmi, then Nishri, then Soham, all are correct. Shaurya, Nayanika, yes. Joy, good. Now, come to your favorite chapter, Alice in Wonderland. Come. Now tell me, the rabbit was wearing a blue coat or red coat? The rabbit was wearing a blue coat or red coat? Blue or red? Shireen, red waistcoat. Blue coat. I asked that rabbit was wearing a blue coat and red coat? No. Okay. Now, my next question is, the rabbit had, yes, Shoham Mondal, yes, blue coat and red waistcoat. Now, my next question, rabbit had white eyes, black eyes, pink eyes. The rabbit had white eyes, black eyes, then pink eyes. It had, yes, pink eyes. Very nice. Now, tell me, is it true or false? The rabbit was burning with curiosity. The rabbit was burning with curiosity. True or false? Nishrin, Shirin, all, why true? But Debashmi, Aishwarya, Shaurya, Shoham, they are correct. I asked, the rabbit was burning with curiosity. Is it correct? Rabbit was not burning with curiosity. Who was burning with curiosity? Give me the answer. Who? Yes, Debashmi. Alice. Joey, no. What is no? Who was burning with curiosity? Alice. Very nice. Now, tell me, who fell down and down and down? Alice, a mouse, the rabbit. Alice, who fell down and down and down? Alice, mouse, a rabbit. The rabbit. Nayanika, I gave the option Alice, rabbit and a mouse. Listen, in the text you will find the rabbit went down and down and down and down. That means the rabbit. Okay? Yes, Devashmi, first rabbit. Now, give me the answer. Is it true? A walking rabbit. True or false? A walking rabbit. True or false? Shirin, true. How can it be true? Nayanika, true. Shaurya, true. A walking rabbit. Is it written in your book? In the text? Aishwarya is correct. Nishri was correct. Though in the text, listen, actually even not actually false, but still just understand the text. In the text we saw the rabbit was walking, the rabbit was running. Yes, that the rabbit was hopping, the rabbit was scampering by. But in the text we also got the line a talking rabbit. Understood? That's why a walking rabbit. No. What we will write? A talking rabbit. It is written in your book, isn't it? Shoham Mondal, understood what I wanted to say? I mean, a talking rabbit. Alice was astonished, isn't it? Now, tell me, who can answer me? A dash table with dash key. A dash table with dash key. Devushmi, small. Why small? A glass table with a golden. Yes, Tanvi. Very nice. Shoham Mondal, glass table with golden key. Shaurya, you are correct. Now, my next question is, Alice. Okay, Alice saw the beautiful garden. Beautiful garden or loveliest garden. Alice saw beautiful garden or the loveliest garden. Loveliest, yes, Tanvi. Tanvi is the first one. Joey, spelling mistake is there, okay? Okay. Shaurya, Shoham, all are correct. Joey, you are correct, only one letter. Yes, Devushmi, there was a spelling mistake I already noticed. Aishwarya, okay, I know, okay. Now my next question is, the garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. The garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. Lovely, very good. Now, next question is, who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? The rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. The rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. The rabbit, yes, very good. Now, I will ask question from Nasruddin Sem. Ready? Students, are you ready? Now, I will ask questions from Nasiruddin's M. Okay? It was my M. It was my M. Okay. Nasiruddin said that on the first time or second time or third time. When he said that, it was my M. Third time, very good, third time. Now, give me the answer. Nasiruddin was, look, Nasiruddin was good at kabaddi, archery or dance. Nasiruddin, yes, archery. Who said none? Shaurya? Archery is not there. Okay. Now, the next one. Nasruddin was chatting with his family or friends. Nasruddin was chatting with his family or friends. Yes, friends. Now the next one. No one can match my skill in archery. Who said that? No one can match my skill in archery. Who said that? Tell me. No one can match. Nasruddin. Now the next question. Now, just give me the answer. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. When Nasruddin said that, on the first time, the second time or third time, when Nasruddin said that? First time. Very good, Shaurya. You are the Now,
Time.
can you tell me, Nasiruddin Nasiruddin, okay, aimed at the target. Okay, Nasiruddin, okay, Nasiruddin hit the target the first time, second time, third time. Nasiruddin hit the target correctly third time. Very nice. Now, next is, what did Nasiruddin boast about? Can you tell me? 11, after 11. Next, what did Nasiruddin boast about? Can you tell me? Yes, Tanvi, then Nanika, very nice. Shaurya, Shohamandal, yes. Aishwarya is correct, Devoshmi is there, Joy is there, okay. Now, okay. Students, now I will ask questions from the poem Run. Ready? I will ask questions from the poem Run. Are you ready, students? So, here in the poem Run, the poet tells us to go to the hillside. To go to the hillside, city, river, or go to the or country. The poet tells us to go to the hillside, city, river, or countryside. Students, you didn't notice my question. Nanika, why city? To go to the, the poet tells us to go to the hillside, city, river, or country? Country, okay. Country. Clear? The poet told run down the hillside, but he told to go to the country. Yes, very good. Now, the next one. The poet tells, tell me, run through the what? Run through the, give me the answer. Run through the, no, very nice. The first one is Shohamandal, then Nayanika, then Tanvi. Okay, now tell me, dash the trees. Dash the trees. Yes, give me the answer. Shirin, Joy, Shaurya, Aishwarya, all are correct. Now give me the next. Dash the trees. Why down, Devoshmi? Why down? Joy, not behind. Beneath. Yes, Nayanika is correct. Then Shaurya. Next. The next one. Dash in the raindrops. Walk or run. Dash in the raindrops. Walk or run. Run. Yes, Nayanika is the first one this time. Walk, Shoham. Run in the raindrops. Understood, Shoham? Okay, okay. Now, just listen to my question carefully, okay? Now give. The poet says, run from the country. and go to the city. Is it true or false? The poet says, run from the country. Yes, false. Nishri is the first one. Very nice. Okay, students. So, today up to this. Okay, study well. Bye, students. We will meet in the next class. Bye.